Magnet, transforming horticulture with ADB and Government of Maharashtra. Agriculture is the backbone of India's economy, contributing nearly 17% of GDP and sustaining the livelihoods of millions. More than 70% of rural households depend on agriculture, and within this sector, horticulture is the growth engine. India is the world's second largest producer after China of fruits and vegetables, contributing over 11% of global output and around 33% of agriculture GVA, and at the heart of this opportunity lies Maharashtra. The state is a leader in grapes and pomegranates, a top producer of citrus, bananas, strawberries, and vegetables. Its farmers export Alfonso mangoes, onions, chilies, floriculture, and more to markets across Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. With strong logistics and an extensive marketing network, Maharashtra is well placed for growth. Yet, farmers don't capture the full value of their produce. Almost 20 to 30% of horticulture harvests are lost between farm and consumer due to weak post-harvest infrastructure, cold chains, grading, and logistics. To address significant post-harvest losses, the Asian Development Bank conducted a comprehensive study to identify gaps and calculate losses in the value chain. Building on these insights, ADB and the Government of Maharashtra have partnered to launch the Maharashtra Agribusiness Network Project, Magnet, aimed at strengthening horticulture infrastructure, reducing losses, and improving farmer incomes. The investment of $142.90 million is a commitment to strengthen horticulture value chain. Magnet is structured around three pillars: capacity building, access to finance, and modern public facilities. Output 1. Capacity building. Over 30,000 farmers and FPO members have been trained in good agricultural practices, post-harvest management, and exports. New export protocols for banana, pomegranate, and chili have been developed, and a trial banana shipment to Russia has already been completed. Through partnerships with ICAR and research institutions, Magnet promotes new crop varieties, waste-to-wealth technologies, innovative packaging, and digital tools like IoT-based advisories, drone spraying, and solar cold storage. This is creating a strong foundation for globally competitive horticulture. Output 2. Access to finance. Magnet is bridging investment gaps by enabling FPOs and private players to build post-harvest infrastructure. So far, 72 sub-projects have been sanctioned, adding nearly 48,000 metric tons of cold storage, 72 packhouses, 48 reefer vans, and over 2,400 kilowatts of solar power. A first-of-its-kind financial intermediation loan in India has been introduced, providing working capital and term loans at competitive rates. Already, 122 enterprises have received over 320 crore rupees in financing, fueling expansion and market entry. Output 3. Public facilities. 19 MSAMB facilities are being upgraded and 3 new climate-smart centers are completed. Solar-enabled hubs designed to move perishables faster, fresher, and farther. Together, these efforts will benefit 200,000 farmers, create 10,000 new jobs, and add 500,000 metric tons of annual handling capacity, building resilient value chains across Maharashtra. Magnet is scaling climate-smart, market-ready horticulture in Maharashtra. Magnet is fully aligned with the Honorable Chief Minister's vision of Viksit Maharashtra and Viksit Bharat 2047.
Namaskar. In Maharashtra, farmers lie at the heart of our development plan. Our Viksit Bharat, our Viksit Maharashtra, Vision 2047. With the support of Asian Development Bank, we have been able to upgrade facilities, build modern pack houses, build cold chains. Also, empowering our farm produce organizations through capacity building. We have allowed them access to finance and at the same build institutions. Our goal is to create a sustainable and inclusive agro-processing ecosystem that takes our farmers to global markets. Now, with Magnet 2.0, we are deepening and strengthening our vision, developing agro-logistics hubs, institutional strengthening of our agro-marketing board, promoting climate-smart agriculture by building world-class infrastructure.
This vision rests on 3 pillars: empowering farmers, strengthening rural infrastructure, and making agriculture globally competitive. By 2047, Maharashtra aims to become a global beacon of sustainable, inclusive, and innovative agriculture, contributing to India's transformation into a developed nation. Farmer-producer organizations are being empowered through training, digital advisories, low-carbon technologies, and easier access to finance. Women-led enterprises are thriving, while export readiness is being strengthened with traceability systems, protocols, and trial shipments to premium markets. Building on success, Magnet 2.0 will take this transformation forward. It will strengthen FPOs with incubation and high-end processing support, scale up matching grants for value addition, expand financial access through the innovative financial intermediation loan (FIL), and invest in modern logistics hubs and upgraded MSAMB facilities across key corridors. The vision: a future-ready horticulture ecosystem where Maharashtra's produce travels farther, stays fresher, and earns more while securing sustainable livelihoods for farmers. Magnet is more than a project, it's a movement. A movement to build climate-smart, globally competitive agriculture. A movement to empower farmers with prosperity and pride.
Together, we are securing a self-reliant and prosperous future for farmers not only in Maharashtra but in India and around the world. So our vision is 2047. Thank you.